back with Jake. Tell me what you got.
1982 GMC Sierra.
82 GMC Sierra. So what you had done to it?
Everything completely off the body restoration.
Okay. I see you got some 24-inch Iroc rims.
Yep. And 350 with board 40 over with a cam in it.
What side cam?
It's a big old cam.
Big old cam, huh?
373 gears with a positive unit.
Okay, good highway gears, man.
Good highway gear with that big tire on the back.
Oh yeah.
And the inside redone. Like I said, completely off the chassis restoration.
So who did your interior work?
The interior work been done 20 years.
Golly.
Dude named Monk. He's old now. He done had 3 or 4 heart attacks. He don't do nothing else no more but sit on the porch.
Sit on the porch.
Yep.
Yeah.
Guy named Monk in Eldon, South Carolina.
Okay. How long did it take you to build this truck?
I done redid the truck about 4 or 5 times.
Golly.
I probably got $70,000 80 in the truck.
Easily, huh?
Yeah.
I see you got 2-tone, red and black, covered by a silver stripe.
Yeah.
Who came up with the striping?
The painter.
The painter did?
Oh, that's paint. That ain't striping.
Oh.
Paint.
Oh.
That's paint. He
Let me get it right. That's paint.
He painted all that in.
Okay. That's what? 3-inch cow hood?
2.5.
2.5 inch? Man. I love the way he did that interior.
Yeah, get the headline. The headline tucked and rolled too.
Man, look at that. These trucks are hard to find. And when you do find them, you gonna pay for it.
This one ain't got a lick of rust on it nowhere.
Not a lick of rust.
Every bolt, screw, nut, everything brand new.
Well, let's take a walk around. Let's look at some more. See, you stayed true to the drum brakes.
Well, on the back, I ain't changed them yet, but I'm gonna change them.
You gonna change?
In the back, that we wanted to do something different.
Yeah, I see. You
them lights right there come out of a Cadillac.
I figured out what that was. It looked like a Cadillac.
I put them up this way, and then I said, no, let's lay them down that way.
So you
we didn't have enough room to put 2.
Oh, so you gonna do the old school way?
Do 2.
Oh, what model Cadillac came out?
I think it came off 99.
So who idea was the piece the roll pan? All that together.
All that was me.
All that was you? You even shaved your bed handle.
On the inside.
So okay, so it let up and down. And you did the front the same way. You shaved the you connected the roll pan in the front as well. Made one solid piece.
Yeah.
24-inch Iroc. I swear. And you on 305s, ain't you?
Yeah, I think them 305.
Look how clean it is. Nice and bump. You got the Billet Grille. I seen some trucks with the hideaway headlights. I was a big fan of that. Nice and clean. Nice and clean. You also part of a car club too,
yeah,
right?
Midland Cruisers.
What is it? What you call it again?
Midland Cruisers. Some of the guys were supposed to come over here today at 12 o'clock. I don't know what the hell happened to them.
Yeah. They might show up a little later. Well, and you got a system in this truck here, right?
Yeah.
What you got?
Pioneer Kicker.
Pioneer Kickers? What size subwoofer? 10. I see you got the aftermarket RPM gauges. And I see you got the race switch panel. So this truck used to be a race truck?
Yep.
What'd you have in it at that time?
I had a small block. Had about a $20,000 small block in it.
Dang. So you decided to make this truck. You decided to make it a cruiser, huh?
I couldn't drive it nowhere, so I took that motor out.
Took it out?
Took that motor out. I got that motor in a little S10. I ain't never finished it.
Oh man, you still got the S10? See, that's what I'm talking about.
I got one in the back there. I'm gonna take the motor out. The one I got it in and put it in one.
One like this?
About this down.
Okay. Oh, hot ride, man.
Yep, been doing that all my life. That's all I know how to do.
Yeah, I gotta admit, when I first seen the car, when you pulled the Clemson Monte Carlo out, I'm like, man, who this cat? And to get out, and I'm like, oh man, that dude is not young at all.
No, 65.
65. Still playing with these toys.
Still look good, but 65.
Still look good. Hey, let's get you to pop the hood, show that motor.
I want to show you this dirty.
And you said it been sitting there how long?
About 5 years.
5 years. Man, that's amazing. 5 years and the paint's still good on the truck.
It's been painted over 10 years.
It's been painted over 10 years, okay. Nice. Look at that. I'm telling you now, cameras can't do no justice. It's a clean truck. Look at that. He redid the fender well. Got him some good aluminum in there. Running that 6AL race box. So he getting some sparks. Huh?
Oh yeah, I had to have the spark. Now the motor wouldn't start up.
Wouldn't start up. And you know, I see this a lot too, where people don't have the fan strap. They custom make their own.
That's what I did.
Yep. I know, Cadillac, Mississippi, he did the same thing. Look at that. Man, it's just clean. 5 years and look at that. That's supposed to rust by now. And it's still.
The cam was taking out the vacuum, so I had to get a jug, a canister to put on it where it stopped, where I have brakes.
Right.
So the cam was taking all the damn
Vacuum from it.
vacuum from it.
Give it a start up. Let me hear this thing chop a little bit. You got a stall in it?
No, not no big.
Just a little something. Well, them Iroc clean.
I had a 5500 stall in it.
5500. That's a lot of stall.
I had a lot of motor.
Look at that. Ooh. Chopping away, baby. Nice and clean. That's the Monte Carlo did. Chevy back there. Ooh. Chop, chop, chop. Custom made glass. Look at that. Out of this line red too, nice and neat. So yeah, man, that's a clean truck, man. Clean. Jake, once again, man, I sure appreciate you letting me come out and review your truck.
Ain't nothing wrong with that, homeboy. Anytime. If I can ever get my homeboys over here, you'll see some shit. You'll see some stuff, buddy.
I ain't nothing but a phone call away. I'll be right back.
If I could get them all here, they line up this whole road.
Man, that'd be something, be like a car shelter.
And you would have your pick. You wouldn't be able to pick. Oh yeah, I'm gonna get you next time. I'll get you tomorrow.
Well, viewers, that does it. Until next time, peace.